see about ignore annotation. Here you can see I have added two test method and one setup method. Test example with message running test method, test example 2 with message running test2 method. I have added ignore annotation at test example 1 with message ignoring this method. We can add ignore annotation at method level and at class level. Here you can see that I have added both example for class level and at method level. Now let's run this class and see how it will work. In this console we can see that it is printing running setup method and running test2 method. You can see that I have added ignore annotation at test example 1. That's why this test example is ignored and it is not running this test method. Also it is printing this method message that ignoring this method. Our exception example test, we will see that how we will handle exceptions from our test cases. So in Junit 4 I have added test annotation and it has a parameter expected. In expected parameter I'm defining exception.class as an input value. So this means whenever this test case will run, it will expect this exception. Let's run this method and see what it will print. So here we can see that it is printing our messages, but it is giving me one error that our test has been failed, and it is expecting one exception java.lang.exception. Let me add this exception. Now if I run this test method, now it has been successful. So this is how in Junit 4 we run our negative test cases in which we will expect some exceptions from our method. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I have added the links in the description below. If you like this topic, please subscribe and share with your friends. For any question, you can post it in the comment section below. Thank you.